Hello everyone. Welcome to my new HTML tutorial. Today I will show you how to create unordered HTML list using UL and LI elements. The UL tag defines an unordered list. Use the UL tag together with the LI tag to create unordered lists. Inside the UL tag, you can include one or more LI tags, which represent each item in the list. I will create example for tutorials list. Follow me. Open and close UL tag. Now open LI tag and close LI tag. Inside LI element I will place first element of the list. So I will write HTML tutorial. Next element of list will be SQL Server tutorial. Third element, CSS tutorial. Okay, let's see what we got. We created unordered list in HTML. In front of each element of the list, we have a circle filled with black color. That's by default. We can change that with HTML attribute type. For example, let's change this example. In open UL tag, I will add type equals quotation marks. And I will write circle. Okay, let's see what we got. We have outline circle. I will now change type to square. Let's see now. We have squares. And that's it. You now know how to create unordered lists in HTML. Remember to use them whenever you need to display a list of items in no particular order. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.